Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's investments. Let's get started. Investments. This field keeps track of your investment accounts. It allows you to understand how your investments are performing, allowing you to make informed decisions rather than rash ones. Portfolio value. This allows you to examine your investment returns and verify whether everything is still on track to meet your goals. Top holding. This displays the investment with the current highest return value. Total holdings. This displays the total number of investments you currently hold. Your investments will be shown in the form of a bar graph and a pie chart. The bar graph displays the absolute values of your investments, whereas the pie chart displays a percentage report for each one. The table will go into greater detail about each investment. Investment transactions. This section will only show a list of transactions associated with your investments. Use the drop-down menu under Account to view transactions from a specific investment, and use the time period to filter out the dates of transactions you want to view. You can also choose to limit the number of entries displayed on your screen and utilize the search bar to find a specific transaction. You can modify your transactions under the Action column. Click the check icon to mark a transaction as reviewed, while the pencil icon allows you to edit your transaction details. The split transaction icon allows you to split transactions and the trash bin icon to delete transactions. You can refer to the transactions tutorial video for further information on editing and splitting transactions. And this is it for investments. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about Money Patrol.